In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome. You might find yourself in a situation where Cloudflare is causing issues with access to certain sites on your Chrome browser. Sometimes, all it takes is a few simple tweaks to restore your browsing experience back to normal. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's talk about the browser cache and cookies. You might be wondering why they're such a big deal. Well, they hold on to all sorts of session data. Over time, this data can become outdated or even corrupt, which might interfere with your browsing, particularly when you're dealing with security systems like Cloudflare. A corrupted cache can prevent the successful validation of CAPTCHAs, which Cloudflare uses to verify that you're not a bot. If you're having trouble with Cloudflare, clearing these cookies and cached files is often the first step you should take. The process is pretty straightforward. What you need to do is open Chrome and navigate to the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of your Chrome window. Once you're in Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. This is where you'll find options to manage your browsing data. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Clicking on that will bring up a window with several options. Here, we want to focus on clearing two specific types of data. First, you'll want to select Cookies and Other Site Data. This option will remove all the stored data that websites save in your browser. Next, select Cached Images and Files. These are the elements that your browser saves to help load sites faster on subsequent visits. By clearing these, you ensure that any outdated or corrupted files are removed from your system. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click on the Clear Data button. Don't worry about losing important information. Clearing cookies may log you out of some sites, but it generally doesn't delete anything vital. After you complete these actions, it's important to restart Chrome to ensure that all changes take effect properly. Simply close the browser completely and then open it again. This helps to start anew with all those old session details having been washed away. Once you've restarted Chrome, try accessing the site that was giving you trouble with Cloudflare once more. With any luck, you'll find that your issues have been resolved and you're able to navigate without any hassle. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. By clearing your cache and cookies, you can often bypass those annoying bumps in the road that disrupt your browsing. If you follow these steps and find that you're still having trouble, it might be worth exploring some additional troubleshooting steps. But for most